This is Bubblegum Alley. This is Bubblegum Alley. A lot of people think it's disgusting because, you know, there's about 1 million years worth of people's chewed bubblegum. Good morning. We're down here downtown San Luis Obispo getting some windows cleaned, but we're gonna make it fun for you. Maybe you get some tips, some tricks, some tools, ideas that you haven't seen before, or how to use something that you've been curious about. Either way, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. For our high pull work for straight pulls, this is an Unger Visa-Versa. I've had this thing for like 20 years. Very durable. The sleeve, of course, I switch out, but the actual handle for a long time. We put in the S channel here, and anyway, you'll see this one in high action at about 18 feet is what we usually use it for when we have to do straight pulls and scrub and squeegee at the same time. So if you don't have a vice versa or some sort of combo squeegee like this for pull work, I suggest you get it. This is a great squeegee to have in your arsenal. Got the Prius on the spot window cleaning. Just got my coffee from Linnea's, which is just around the corner on Garden Street. A couple of other tools we're using today. We got our simple Samurai with a trad adapter on it. So we'll be using that for our pull work. This is sections 1 through 5. We probably only need sections 1 through 4. And for our typical route work, we only need sections 1 through 3, but we got a little bit higher stuff we're working on today. So 1 through 5 on the simple Samurai with the Unger green tip trad conversion. And that's our pull of choice for a lot of stuff right now. It's been a great trad conversion pull and quick to use for water fed when you need it as well. These windows here have anti-graffiti film on the outside, so we can't use a blade on them. But gum still gets stuck on there, so we take our putty knife, plastic putty knife, try to get rid of the gum as we can off the frames there. It's not our favorite place to have to clean windows. I mean, who wants to deal with bubble gum, right? But it's iconic here in San Luis. Got my Unger extra long handle, Ergotech with the quick release, 18-inch with the S channel. So this is Bubblegum Alley. This is Bubblegum Alley. A lot of people think it's disgusting because, you know, there's about 1 million years worth of people's chewed bubblegum, but you get the idea. We just take care of a few windows for the store next to it here. Those right there. Right now there's no gum on them, so we don't have to worry about that, which is nice. But we'll take care of them anyway. Then for our swivel handle for pull work, you're gonna see it. I've got 2 versions of this one. This one is the 0 degree from Unger, the older styles 0 degree. And I've got in it the Moerman Liquidator channel, 18-inch, with a black Ergotech rubber there. That's how we clean the windows in Bubblegum Alley. We got the Unger swivel, the green handled swivel T-bar with the green sleeve, 18-inch. That's pretty much our standard. This is what we like to go with. Sometimes we'll use the black series. We've got a few of those that we like to use. usually put in an Ettore. Let's see if we can get that. An Ettore rubber. These very long lasting. We've been using the green rubber on the 14-inch sizes, and those are lasting a long time. The 14-inch green Unger rubbers. Those are fantastic for what we've been using them for. We just have a bulk supply of the Ettores, which have lasted a long time, so we keep using them. They're great rubbers as well.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Enjoy, and we'll see you around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. See you soon.